So right here is a really old classic furnace setup here, and house humidifier setup here. Right here you have a really old Bryant high efficiency gas furnace. It's the plus 90 series. And this is from 1982, give or take. It's from the 80s, it's original to the house for sure. Only where I got that is from this little date code right here on this emergency guide thing, paper. Camera focus. 11582. Fire safety. Operating instructions installed inside the panel. I'm not gonna open it. Here's a really old house humidifier. Same era, same age. Model 560. Here's a little thermostat thing up here for it. And there's also an old, where is it? I forgot where it is. There's a heat detector somewhere. Oh, it's right there. It's a nice little old Demco heat detector right there, which all these in the house are defunct. So it's just up there abandoned in place. Follow the wire though. But yeah, this is really cool. You don't usually see this anymore in today's matter. Alright, this is for all the furnace people that like old furnaces, I guess. I know it's a thing, I've seen a couple videos. So here you go.